There is an AI agent that everyone is talking about in the developer community, and that is called Hermes Agent. It can browse the web, it can write code, it can use tools, it can remember the conversation completely autonomously, and you can run it for free on Google Cloud. Here is the problem. Most tutorials skip steps, use outdated commands, or expect you to pay for expensive APIs. I wasted hours figuring this out so you don't have to. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Hermes Agent step by step, every single command, every fix for the common errors, and by the end of this video, you will have your own AI agent running 24/7 for free. And before we dive in, if you are into AI agents, automations, or running stuff for free in the cloud, hit that subscribe button. I post tutorial like this every week. Stick with me until the end, and I'll also give you the complete written installation guide, all the commands in one place, copy paste ready. It's linked in the description, but only if you watch to find out where to look. Now I show you exactly how to install Hermes Agent on Google Cloud's free tier, connected to a free AI model, and get you first response. This is the installation checklist, and we follow each step in order. Let's start by signing up for Google Cloud. Go to cloud.google.com/free. Get started for free. Sign into your Google account. Now, the payment step, don't worry, this is still the free trial. Google collect this to verify your identity and reduce fraud. Enter your card information and you will see a temporary $1 hold that disappears in a few days. After a few seconds, you will be in the Google Cloud Console. We need to enable the Compute Engine API first. Go to the top left corner and then select Compute Engine and VM instances. If this is your first time, you will see an enable button. Click it. Sometimes this take a minute or two. If it hangs, just open Cloud Shell using the icon in the top right and run gcloud services enable compute.googleapis.com. Now compute engine key is enabled and we have landed on Google Cloud Console. Now the next step is we're going to spin VM E2 micro. For spinning, we have two methods. One is console and second is command line. So we should prefer command line. Click the Cloud Shell icon. It looks like a terminal in the top right corner. Let's click on this. It will open the terminal. Let's continue. Authorize. A terminal opens at the bottom of your screen. This is a Linux command line connected to your Google Cloud account. Now paste this gcloud compute instance command. Let me explain what this does. We are creating a VM named Hermes-Agent-VM in the US Central 1A zone. This machine type is E2 micro. That is always free tier with 2 virtual CPU and 1 GB of RAM. We are using Ubuntu 22.04 as the operating system. You will see some warning about this size, so ignore them. If this is your first time connecting, you will see a warning about SSH keys. Type Y and press enter. Then it will ask for a passphrase. Just press enter twice to leave it empty. This is fine for a tutorial VM. The prompt changes to username at Hermes-Agent-VM You are now inside free cloud computer. Now we're going to update the system. Let me paste this command. Update may take a longer time. In this video, I skipped that part, but when you update, kindly keep this in mind. Now the fun part, installing Hermes Agent. Run this command. This downloads and installs Hermes Agent along with all its dependencies. It takes about 2-3 minutes because the E2 micro has only one CPU. But that is fine because the actual AI processing will happen through an API, not on this VM. It will start the setup wizard as part of the installation. Let's pick quick setup. Now select the provider. Since we are in Google Cloud, so we picked Google AI Studio. Now it asks Google AI Studio API key that we can generate by using get API key through Google AI Studio. You can see create API key on the top right, create key. It create a new key. Just copy from here and paste back to terminal. Now it asks for the model. I will choose Gemini Flash Lite latest. That's Google free tier model. After selecting the model, I'll keep the terminal backend as local and skips messaging for now. Now wizard complete. Once you see installation complete, refresh your shell with this command. Now run Hermes. Now test Hermes by typing a message and we get an error API key not valid or HTTP 400. This is frustrating. This is common issue with new Google Cloud free trial accounts. Instead of wasting time troubleshooting the Gemini key, let me show you the solution that works 100% of the time. Switching to OpenRouter. First, exit Hermes by pressing Ctrl C. Hermes needs an AI model to work. Instead of running one locally, which this small VM can't handle, we will use OpenRouter. OpenRouter gave us access to dozens of free AI models through one simple API. Go to openrouter.ai and click sign up in the top right corner. You can sign up with Google or GitHub. It's completely free. Once you are logged in, accept the legal consent. Click new key, name it Hermes Agent and leave everything else as default. Click create and copy the key. Back in our terminal, I will not run the wizard. I will make the changes directly in config.yaml. So we're going to make 3 changes in this config.yaml. One, we're going to change the provider name to OpenRouter. Second, we're going to change the default models to Google slash Gemini dash 2.0 dash flash dash light dash preview dash O2 dash O5 colon free. Third change is we're going to change the base URL to openrouter.ai slash API slash VI. Once we make the changes, we Control C and save the changes in the file and then exit out. Now the last changes we're going to make in the .env file where we're going to update OpenRouter API key that we generated. Now we're going to load Hermes after typing Hermes on the command line. Now you will see the Hermes welcome screen. Now you type a test message. Hello, is this free model working now? There it is. Hermes is responding. Our free AI agent is working on Google Cloud. With that, we complete the entire installation of Hermes Agent on Google Cloud. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next part where we're going to configure the messaging. Thank you.